For today's project, you will need a sock, 1 cup of rice, a rubber band or 2, a Sharpie marker, some googly eyes, a glue gun, a glue stick, and some scissors. So let's get to crafting. So the first step to creating your sock bunny is going to be putting rice inside of your sock, and the easiest way that I have found is to put your sock in a cup and then pour your rice in. Now you're going to be pouring in about 1 cup of rice. So we'll go ahead and start pouring our rice in until we get about a cup. After you have put your rice into your sock, the next step is to tie it. You want to take it down to the top of your rice and put a knot in it. Put a nice tight knot in it. Then we're going to cut off part of the sock because it's going to be in our way. This is going to become our ears. For now, we'll just do that. Next, you want to take your sock and separate what you want the body to be and what you want the head to be. I'm going to do it right here, and that's where you're going to put your first rubber band. So now you see we have a fat little body and we have a little head. So since this is Peter Cottontail, I have decided to get some cotton, and I will be using that back here for his little tail. So the next thing I'm going to do is probably put a ribbon around his neck because we don't want to show the rubber band, and we will trim that up in a minute. Now we're going to create his ears. And to do that, you just cut down the center, but leave a little bit of space here. And then, see how that almost has a natural ear shape to it? And then you can do that same thing with the other ear. One ear will just be smaller than the other, and that's fine. Or one could even flop over. And that would be very cute. I'm gonna have this one flopping over. So just like that. And I'll trim this up. Okay, and we're going to add his eyes, and we'll just put a little hot glue on each eye. And then I'm going to use this marker right here to just make a little mark. I'm going to put a little X right here. And then I'll make his tail, put a little hot glue, and there's the tail. So there you have it. Super easy little Easter bunny. This is Peter Cottontail. Very easy. A lot of ages can create this. Have fun with it, and happy Easter!